oil, Kenny. You stop.
No! You butthole. You hole butt. You hole great ass.
I got you dancing on camera.
What do you mean dancing? What was I dancing?
You were like dancing, I don't know.
How was I dancing?
You were just dancing, I don't know.
No, that's because I need to stand on something. I need to rest my...
Yeah, Kenny! Rip that drum!
Holy shit, did you break my drum set? You like this on hardcore.
I'm recording all you guys.
Player 3. Player 3.
Yeah, 96%.
Yeah, 96%.
Yeah!
65%.